Welcome to Coding Classic. In today's video, I will teach you how to create star loading spinner, same as the one on the screen. It look very good, and you can apply it on your project. Before we begin, please if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First thing is to create HTML and CSS file. I named my HTML index and CSS style. You can name it whatever you like. Then add the HTML boilerplate or basics. Edit the title of your project. Link your CSS file to your HTML file. The only HTML code we need is just a div with a class named loading. We are done with HTML. Let's go to CSS to style our project. Starting from class called loading. Here is the outcome of what we have done so far. Finally, let's add keyframe to allow the star to rotate. Here is the final preview of the project. Please if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. And also like and comment. Thank you.